to Cooking with Things I Found in My Kitchen. Somehow I conned my way into a spin-off show, so I'm teaching you how to cook something today. We're going to be making red bean paste, and I have to be honest, this isn't particularly cooking with things I found in my kitchen because we did have to go to an Asian food market to get these beans. So cooking with things I found at an Asian food market. So yeah, red bean paste is just this fun, sweet, it's usually dessert, but you could put it on like crackers and stuff, that's pretty good too. Paste, and I know it sounds weird, like sweet bean paste, but I promise it's really good. So yeah, to start, we've got 2 cups of water and red beans, and we're gonna boil, can you, I don't know, this one? All right, okay, so 2 cups of water and 2 cups of red beans. And then just stir that for 5 minutes. Okay, so that's been boiling, simmering for 5 minutes. So now we're gonna turn that off and strain it. And then I'm gonna wipe down this pan, make sure there's no like beanie bits. And then we're gonna put the beans back on there. Now put the beans back in, and we've got 2 to 3 cups of water, just enough to cover it. And then we let that simmer until you can squish them, because you know it's like a paste, so you squish them, which is about 1.5 to 2 hours. So, yeah. Welcome back. So that has been simmering for like 2 hours. So now we're going to drain this. It's probably still hot. I should probably use these things. Do not burn yourself. It really hurts. It's not fun. Okay. I know it looks like it's just like refried beans, but I promise you it's not. And it most definitely doesn't smell like it. It smells like red beans, very strong. Which is a nice smell. It's gonna be even better with sugar. Beans. Try this again. This isn't working. I'm just gonna put this in here. What? Oh, spoon. Oh, I can't do this. So yeah, you're going to put it in your food.
Gravity's stupid.
Gravity's stupid. You're gonna put it in your food blender. Your food. Who allowed this?
Don't let the beans win.
I'm letting the beans win. Get out of here. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna do this. We're gonna ignore all the beans that I've strewn about. Forgot how loud this is. You can't hear me right now. Pasty, like the Timothée Chalamet of Japanese bean desserts.
Beans are dessert.
What?
Beans are dessert.
These beans are, when we get this much sugar in them. It's so beany. It does look like refried beans. Yeah. Also kind of looks like dog food. I promise it won't taste like it.
Aw.
No, it's gonna taste like beans. Sweet beans.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Austin's usually funnier when he's doing random things like this. I don't know what to say.
Beans aren't funny.
I made my one good joke and now I'm out. I'm done. Now we got like 3 more of those to go. Don't worry about it. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. There's oh boy. Mix it up a little bit more because it's got like some bigger chunks, which is fine. It still tastes good. Those will mush when you eat them. There's no problem with that. But it's just like a texture thing. I like it like smoother. Why does this thing hate me? Now that we've got all of these nice mashed up beans, I forgot what's next. Don't put that part in. Now that we've got all these beans, we are going to add sugar and salt. 2 teaspoons of salt, about this much. And you can add however much sugar you want. We looked at different recipes, said 2 cups, 3 cups. I have a massive sweet tooth, so I'm adding 3 cups of sugar because it's just a lot. It's weird visualizing. It's weird to visualize this is 3 cups. Oh my god. Oh, that's so much. Oh, that's overwhelming. I'm not putting it all in. I'm not. We'll add as we go. And oh my god. Okay, we good. Just cook it. Just cook it. Cook it once again in your pan with your beans. Mix it up. You're wanting the sugar to dissolve. See, now it's getting all, before it was all like thick and dry. Now with the sugar in there, it's getting all nice and and juicy, pasty. I'm gonna add the rest of the sugar in.
Do it. Woo!
Yeah.
Super sweet.
Yes, this is a dessert, at least how we're making it, but as I said before, it's good on like crackers. And if you want to make it less sweet, if that's what you're going for. I've had it in like bread, like fancy bread. Don't just go out and buy some store-bought. Like you should have some nice bread. Put that on. I've had it in bao, and if you want to make bao, can you make your own video and send it to me? Because I want to make bao. So I want to know how to do that. We, yesterday, made some angel food cake. So that's what we're going to be having it on today. But yeah, you can put it on a big host of things. I'm sure, like, vanilla ice cream would be good. What are some other things that'd be good on?
You can put it on, like, your fingers.
You can put it on your fingers.
Spoon.
A spoon, yes. It's probably hot, so I'd give it a minute. How's it tasting?
Outside of being beans, That's pretty good.
I want to try it right now.
You should try it.
It's like sticking to the bottom, so make sure you like, get everything. You want to get all the beans. I want to get all the beans. Don't.
All the beans.
All the beans, yes. And welcome back. We quickly cooled some in the fridge because we're all very impatient. And you see we've got this cake that we made here. So I'm just gonna, yeah. So you can see it's much pastier, more pasty than soupy than it was. There we go. Nice. And there you go. Beautiful.
Bean cake.
Bean cake! Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for having me, your lovely host, to make this wonderful, wonderful bean cake. I would like to thank my mom, our director, Austin, wonderful DP. And I would like to thank this bean cake. I'm digging in. What do you think?
I'm gonna say beans aren't dessert.
Beans
but
are dessert.
if beans were dessert, this is how they would be dessert.
It's good, I promise. Don't listen to him.
It tastes good. It does, but it's beans.
Delicious beans. Delicious, sweet, desserty beans.
I'd eat it.
You are.
Plus, your cake is good.
Yeah. I also made this cake yesterday.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ah.